Welcome back to the Genius Analysis. In our last video, we explored Law 1, Never Outshine the Master. Today we're delving into Law 2 of Robert Greene's The 48 Laws of Power. Never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies. Understanding Law 2. Law 2 is all about understanding the delicate balance of trust and strategic relationships. It emphasizes the importance of being cautious with friends and being open to learning from your enemies. Let's break it down. Main points. Caution with friends. Friends can become envious or complacent, leading to betrayal or taking advantage of your trust. Avoid revealing too much about your plans or weaknesses to friends, as this information can be used against you. Learning from enemies. Enemies can provide valuable insights and challenges that can help you grow and improve. Rather than dismissing enemies outright, analyze their motivations and actions to learn from them. Strategies. Maintain independence. Avoid becoming overly dependent on any single friend or group of friends. Maintain a level of independence that allows you to think and act freely. Be selective with trust. Be cautious with whom you trust and to what extent. Trust should be earned over time and not given blindly. Use enemies for growth. Instead of viewing enemies as purely adversarial, see them as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Analyze their criticisms and actions to identify areas where you can improve. Examples. Historical example. Julius Caesar was known for his ability to use former enemies as allies. By pardoning and befriending his enemies, he ensured their loyalty and support. Modern example. Business rivalry. In the business world, competition can be fierce. By studying your competitors and learning from their strategies, you can improve your own business practices. Personal insights. Share any personal anecdotes or experiences where you've had to navigate friendships or learn from adversaries in your own life. Conclusion. Law 2, never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies, teaches us the importance of balance and strategic thinking in relationships. By being cautious with friends and open to learning from enemies, we can navigate power dynamics more effectively. Closing. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore Law 3 of the 48 Laws of Power.